Hello everyone, in this video we will be studying 5th and 6th sum. Now, here we will be seeing question number 5. What would a system of coordinates be like if we did not have negative numbers? Okay. So what it would look like, it would look like this. Okay, we would have only first quadrant with x and y both the coordinates being positive. Okay, so it would look like this. So how we are going to write the answer now? So we'll say then then we can only locate positive positive x and y coordinate coordinates coordinates numbers, okay, in first quadrant first quadrant. So this is the answer, okay, for this question. Now one more thing they are asking, would this system allow us to locate all the points in 2D plane? So can we locate all the points is what they are asking. Now we cannot do that because negative numbers would be missed out, right? We cannot locate negative numbers, so for that we will write no, because because it would be impossible to locate the points having having negative negative x and y coordinates, x and y coordinates. So this is the answer for question number 5. Now we will see next question. Now, so here we will be solving the sixth question. Are the points M minus 3 minus 4 A 0 0 and G 6 8 on the same straight line? So are they on the same straight line? All these 3 points is what they are asking. Suggest a method to check this without plotting and joining the points. So now what we have to do is we have to not plot these points on the Cartesian plane. But for your understanding, I have just, written them like this. So there are 3 points M, A, and G. Okay, and M coordinates, A coordinate, and G coordinate I have written. And we have to check whether these all 3 coordinates are on the same straight line. So are they falling on the same straight line? Okay. So that is what we have to check. So how we can check that? We can check that using distance formula. Okay. We can check that using distance formula. So that is what we are going to check. And what is the formula? It is distance is equal to under root under root formula is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is the formula. So now using this formula, okay, we will find the coordinates of MA, AG, and then MG together. So now first what we will do, we will find the distance MA. Okay, MA distance we will find, and we'll apply this same formula, okay, to find the distance. And what we will do is we will take this as x1 y1 and we will take this as x2 y2, okay, in the formula. So now we will input the values. So x2 is what? It is 0 minus 3, okay, minus 3 square plus, then we have y2 is again 0 minus, okay, y1 is what? Y1 is minus 4. So I will, because it is minus, I will put one more bracket, the whole square. Okay. So now, so what this will become now? So 0 minus minus is plus. So 0 plus 3 is 3. So 3 is a square plus minus minus is, plus. So it is 0 plus 4 is 4. So 4 is the square. Now, so 3 is a square is 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 60. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So root 25. So root 25 if we solve, what we will get? Root 25 if we solve, we will get 5, because 5 5 is 25. So what we are getting is 5 units. So the distance of MA is how much? It is 5 units. So now similarly what we will do? We will find the distance for AG. Okay. So AG we will find now. Similarly we will find. And now while finding AG, we will take this as x1 y1 and we will take this as x2 y2. So I'll rub this and I will make as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So अभी यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया? A को x1 y1 ले लिया and for G I have taken as x2 y2. Now according to this formula we will calculate the distance for AG. So x2 minus x1. So x2 is what? x2 is the 6. So 6 minus 0 the whole square plus y2 is how much? Y2 is 8. So 8 minus, as per this formula, y1 is how much? 0. 0 square equal to, so 6 minus 0 is again 6 square plus 8 minus 0 is 8. So 8 square. So, so 6 6 is 36. 8 8 is 64. So which is 100, and the root of 100 is how much? 10. So 10 units. So the distance of AG is how much? The distance of AG is 10 units. Now similarly, we will calculate for MG. So now we calculated here for MA first, and then we calculated AG, and now we will calculate whole MG. Okay, we will calculate whole MG, and then we will check if this MA plus AG, if we do, will that be equal to the complete MG? What we will get the answer? If that is the case, then all the 3 points lie on the same straight line. So that is how we are going to check. Okay, so we will calculate this. So again for MG, now again for MG, what we will do? I will rub this and I will mark M as x1 y1 and GB x2 y2. So now here I have marked M as x1 y1 and G as x2 y2. Now Mg total we will calculate with this, using the same formula. So here it will be x2 is how much? 6. So 6 minus x1 is how much? Minus 3. So once again I will put formula bracket here, square plus y2 is how much? Y2 is 8. So 8 minus y1 is minus 4. So once again I will put bracket here, square. Now, so minus minus is plus. So 6 plus 3 is how much? It is 9. So 9 square plus 8 minus minus is plus. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 square is equal. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 12 12 is 144. 144, and if we add this 81 and 144, we'll get 225. 225, which is equal to, if we find the factors of 225, we will get 15 units. So now we have to check and see whether all these 3 points lie on the same line or no. And to check that, it is a very simple method what we are going to use. Okay, so therefore we will say mg is equal to ma plus ag. Because if you see guys, now I am saying mg is equal to ma plus ag. So now mg is what? Mg is the complete line. So mg is the complete line, and ma is what? Ma is part of that line. Ma is a small section of that line, and ag is what? Ag is another small section of this line. So if we add ma, the length ma plus the length ag, the total mg line is what we have to get. So that is our logic. So that is what I am writing. Mg is equal to ma plus ag. So if this tallies, then we can say that all the 3 points, they lie on the same line. If it does not tally, then it means that these 3 points, they don't lie on the same straight line. So that is how we are going to check. So what is mg? Mg is how much? See, mg is 15. So I will write here 15 is equal to ma is how much? Ma is 5. Ma is 5 plus ag is how much? Ag is 10. So 10. So 15 is equal to 5 plus 10 is 15. So 15 is equal to 15. So it means LHS is equal to RHS. So this proves our, answer, saying that yes, all the 3 points, they lie on the same straight line. So that is what we will write here now. This concept is called as collinearity. So as per this concept, we will say according to collinearity. Okay, according to this concept collinearity, we will say m, a and g lie on a on a straight line, on a straight line. So this is our answer, guys. So this completes our sixth question. uh, Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, guys.